Welcome to the SIS Gradebook video, Points in the Gradebook. This video explains how points work in the gradebook. It will also show different examples of how teachers use points in the SIS Gradebook. Points represent how much an assignment is worth in the gradebook, and they are set by the teacher when the teacher creates the assignment. The score or mark is what the student was awarded on the assignment. The score or mark is represented in the following ways: letter grade, percentage, and raw score. Score and mark are used interchangeably by the vendor. The term score will be used in this video. More information on scores can be found on the score type video. All examples in this video will use the raw score. For more information on different score types, please view the score types video. All of the examples in the video are in a total points gradebook, but weighted gradebooks will be discussed at the end of the video. In a total points gradebook, a student's grade is determined by dividing the total points awarded to a student by the total points possible. In this example, the points possible are added together and the points awarded to the student are added together. The points awarded divided by points possible equals 88%, which is a B+. Now we are going to look at 3 examples of how teachers use points in a total points gradebook. In the first example, all assignments have the same points. This teacher has 8 assignments, each with a different max score. The points for each individual assignment are the same. Because all of the points are the same, each individual assignment counts the same towards the grade. This means that the test carries equal weight, 12.5%, towards the total grade as the project, 1 homework, or 1 quiz. They are all equally contributing to the grade. When you look at the breakdown by assignment type, you can see how much each type contributes to the grade calculation. It is important to note that this happens because the points on each assignment are equal. As you can see, the outcome is the same when I change the points from 1 to 100. The student still received a 77.2 C+. Some teachers create assignments where the points are equal within each individual assignment type. In this example, the teacher sets the points in the following way. All tests are worth 100 points. All projects are worth 50 points. All homework assignments are worth 5 points, and all quizzes are worth 20 points. As you can see, the 4 homework assignments count equally, 2.4%, towards the grade, and the 2 quizzes each count as 9.5% of the grade. When additional assignments are added, you can see that the assignments of the same type still carry equal weight, but each individual assignment has less of an impact on the grade. With an additional homework assignment added, each homework is now worth 2.1% of the grade, and with an additional quiz, each quiz is now worth 8.5%. This means that as the total number of points available increases, the impact of each individual assignment goes down. One benefit of assigning points in this way is that it gives teachers more control over how much an individual assignment will impact the grade. Setting points up in this way is similar to setting up a weighted gradebook. The teacher will know that 4 homework assignments are equal to 1 quiz because each homework assignment is worth 5 points and 4 homeworks would equal 20 points total. The teacher also knows that 5 quizzes are equal to 1 test. Some teachers create assignments where the points are all different. This is usually done when the teacher sets the points equal to the score that the student can receive. The max score for the test is 90, which means there were probably 90 questions on the test. The max score for homework 1 is 45 because 45 was the highest score the student could receive. In this scenario, the max score remains the same as what it was in each of the previous scenarios. It is only the points that are being changed. The impact of each assignment is based on the number of points the assignment is worth. Because the project is worth 200 points, it makes up 43.6% of the student's grade. When added together, the 4 homework assignments are over 20% of the student's grade. This side-by-side comparison shows the 3 different ways points were used in this video and the differing impact they each have on the grade. Points are displayed in the progress report and in the SIS parent account and student view. Interpreting points is sometimes confusing. The points the student earned are based on the score, or mark, that the student received on the assignment. The points earned are divided by the points available to determine the grade. When the number of points available is low, such as 1, the points earned are rounded when displayed, but the calculation is always correct. Now we can look at points in a weighted gradebook. To calculate a grade in a weighted gradebook, add the points earned within each assignment type. Then add the points possible in each assignment type. Divide the points earned by the points possible. In this example, the student earned 130 points in the quiz category out of a total of 200 points. By dividing 134 by 200, you get 67.4. Repeat this process for each assignment type. Next, you multiply the result by the weight that was set for that assignment type. Quizzes count for 30% of the grade, so you multiply 67.4 times 0.3, which equals 20.2. Repeat this for each assignment type and add the results together. This is the number that determines the letter grade. An 85.1 is a B. If you have any questions, please contact the IT Service Desk at 703-503-1600 or submit a Request IT ticket.